Number 5, a marksman fires a .22 caliber rifle horizontally at a target. The bullet has a muzzle velocity of 900 feet per second. This would be V sub x. So the bullet will have to follow projectile motion 1. And you are asked, how much does the bullet drop in flight if the target is, letter A, 50 yards away, and in letter B, 150 yards away. So in letter A, we are given this 50 yards pertains to the range. Okay? So you're given the range. The range is equal to 50 yards. We have to convert this to feet. Multiply this by 1 yard is 3 feet. It's equal to 3 feet. This will give us 150 feet. Okay, and we know that the formula for range in projectile motion 1 is V sub x multiplied by t. Your V sub x is 900 feet per second. So 900 feet per second. T is unknown. Okay, and the range is given at 150 feet. So here, we can compute for the time of flight. The time of flight is 150 feet divided by 950 feet per second. That is 0.166 seconds. This is the time of flight. This is also the time of flight for the bullet vertically. So we can compute the vertical drop using this equation. Y is equal to VIT plus 1/2 GT squared. We know that the initial speed along the vertical is always equal to 0 for projectile motion 1. And solving for y, g is -9. Instead of using -9.8 meters per second, since we are in the FPS system, we have to use 32.2 feet per second squared. Multiplied by the time of flight, which is 0.166 seconds, we can get the drop. The drop would be 0.44 feet. That would be negative. Rounding off to one significant digit, you have -0.4 feet. This would be the vertical drop if the target is 50 yards away. In letter B, you will just have to repeat the solution, and this time around, we have to use 150 yards. Now, 150 yards is equivalent to how many feet? That would be equivalent to 450 feet. So y, using the equation again, first we have to compute for the time of flight. Okay. First, compute for the time of flight. 450 feet divided by 900 feet per second, you will get the time of flight. Okay. Where did we get this? This is range equals V sub x multiplied by time. Okay. So time is equal to 0.5 seconds in this case. Okay. We now use this equation again. Y is equal to V sub IT plus 1/2 GT squared. So V sub IT will give us 0 because V sub I is equal to 0. So Y is equal to 1/2 negative 32.2 feet per second squared multiplied by time 0.5 squared. This would give us negative 4.025 feet. And rounding off, you will have -4 feet. This would be the vertical drop if the range is 150 yards.